Hello for this. Let's make this super delicious pasta. So in the pot, I'm going to cover my pasta till it's 80% done with some oil and salt. After that, drain and set it aside. As you can see, it's cooked. So drain that and set aside. This is the oil from my stew. So I'm frying my sausage. This is optional though. You can omit this particular step. So yeah, I'm adding some onions, ginger and garlic, my pepper mix, fry that a bit, and then I'll be adding some pasta water, my fried lamb meat, some Korean thyme, oregano, and stir that a bit. Add your salt and seasoning, of course. Adding back your pasta and then the sausage. Stir everything together very well. Cover and allow it to cook until it's fully cooked. So here I want to ask you, kun cinye naman sallan ku ko har yanzu da saura? Ni dai yanzu da saura. I still have frozen and I have the fried meat. So here is our pasta. Pasta mu ya gamu gashi nan kamar yadda kuke gani. Bismillah. I will see you guys in my next video. To be honest, this was so yummy and so easy to make. Na gama kankanin lokaci without any stress and all. Bye.